be only me go see this one. Oh yeah, mona consi. Watch. Oh.
Very dark man. You see, say I carry mic for you because you know say I know your English. So the English I know here. So I won't talk and make them just say a little while where I understand how we speak so that people will understand. Very dark man. First of all, you have make a different two video less than 24 hours. You are repeating yourself in that same video. If you are talking to Sheyi at the back, you are begging him that you want to be with him and you like what he's doing, come out, tell people. That's number one. Number two, you are saying that when the same day they release you from EFCC is that same day the guy make an apology video. Who are you? Something they heard.
All right, so Lege Miami, let me address everything you said in this video. You say I don't make two videos and I repeat the same thing. That is what advocacy is. You understand? You go talk about the thing until results come out. You create awareness around the issue. And results is already started coming out because through Isaac Fayoshi, I think Sheyi Tinubu sent him a message saying, message received. I don't know his current whereabouts or if he's in detention, but we will look into it. So Sheyi Tinubu, according to him, he said he will look into the issue of Abubakar Issa. So hopefully, Abubakar Issa will be released, hopefully very soon. You understand? That's what advocacy is. Now, that's number one. Number two, you say, I dey look for Sheyi, say I won't be with Sheyi. Sheyi na girl? Is Sheyi a girl? Where did they look for her, they won't be with? Is it only badge that if I get chance, I say I go knock on? Is that who Sheyi is? Say I want to be with Sheyi, I want to be his friend. What do I want to be friends with Sheyi for? I never want to know any politician in this country. What's my business with them? Do I look like you? Do I look hungry to you? Do I look like somebody that is desperate for wealth? I am not. I don't need nobody's connection. All I do is to speak and advocate. Do you understand? For the right things to be done, using my platform. That's what I do with my platform. For crying out loud, I'm supposed to be making a lot of money with my platform. But instead, I mean, they even spend. I did in debt as I talk to you, which I go pay with my own hard-earned money. So calm down. Nobody won't meet Sheyi. Who is Sheyi when I won't meet? But take my business down. He's the son of the president. So what? So what? But if you say Sheyi won't give me today, I'm trying to understand. A house? A car? What? Millions? Billions? What do I need those things for? They say success is relative. What do you see as successful? They say maybe I define their correct. What you see as successful is not what I see as successful. Material things is not for me. It's not what I see as successful. The betterment of other people's lives. When I see things they happen, Nigeria they progress. Those kind of things I want. But of course, you don't reach the age. Very soon you will reach that age. Once you clock 40 now, this your foolishness will be forever. Once you don't reach 40 now, Lege, that's the end, and you get picking. That's the problem. Do you understand? So I don't need Sheyi for nothing. I don't want to be a politician. I'm not interested in it. I have the platform that God give me. Followers plenty. The message they go. Things are being done. That's what is important. So calm down. Nobody you drag Sheyi with you, and Sheyi is not a girl, okay? Thank you very much. And then you say something like this.
I don't go say anything. I don't go say anything. Now when you and I see one-on-one. Now when me and you and I see one-on-one. Now when me and you and I see one-on-one. If you jam me one-on-one. Don't worry.
When you and I see one-on-one, what you go do? Talk now. Talk. Just talk on. Why you dey fear? Talk on. Me say by the wait for the day when me and you go see one-on-one. You understand? And when you know go deal with all those people that they carry around as a president friend. People they carry around. So you believe now if you see me one-on-one, you go follow me talk. Lege. You go be the first father where go raise speaking without teeth. Complete 32 sets. You'll be the first father in Nigeria where go do them. You go lost all of them. And if it's short for you now, we go play neutral. No, you know go happen for Abuja, you know go happen for Lagos. Choose any state of your choice. We no go choose any Yoruba state. Do you understand? We'll take it neutral. We'll not choose any Yoruba state. We'll not choose any South states. Just find any neutral states. No security, nothing. You stand with me one-on-one. You'll be the first father where go raise a picking without teeth. One teeth. Messi go say, Daddy me. Or if you go even shame to talk to, you better be careful. Else you're gonna learn and you will learn the hard way. As they feed you, they chop, just they do and they go. Don't bring that nonsense to our place, okay? Sheyi. What's it concern? Thinking that everybody they fire politics body. Come on, bro.
Ẹ kú dédé àsìkò yìí o. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà káàkiri gbogbo àgbálá ayé. Ọdẹ ọdún bí lágbára Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè ọba ọ̀dẹ gbogbo wa yóò mọ̀ dùn níta tó mú wá sí etí ìgbọ́ yín nípa ọ̀rọ̀ Very Darkman àti ọmọkùnrin tó ń pè ní Lege Miami. Ẹ wo ọ̀rọ̀ yìí mọ̀ tí ń lọ mọ̀ ṣe díẹ̀ o látó wá ní ká mú wá sí etí ìgbọ́ ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà àti gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà pátápátá. Toró ní fọ́nrán kan tí Lege Miami tó tún ṣe jáde pẹ̀lú Very Darkman. Ọ̀rọ̀ mọ̀ kúnnú fọ́nrán yìí ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà. Kí ni ìdí gan tí Very Darkman àti Lege Miami tó fi di tí ọ̀rọ̀ wọn di gbọ́n mi sí omi ò tó? Ẹ wá lọ gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí Lege sọ nínú fọ́nrán yìí. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ wò ẹ kẹ̀jẹ̀ ń kọ́kọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ń brief ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn fún yín díẹ̀. Ohun tó wà ń bẹ̀ náà ni pé ohun tó ń díjà wọn náà ni nípa ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ president wa Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu ìyẹn tí wọ́n ń pè ní Ṣèyí Tinubu. Ọ̀rọ̀ náà mọ̀ ló díjà lẹ̀ láàrin Lege Miami àti Very Darkman. Ṣùgbọ́n Very Darkman sọ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ kan bẹ́ẹ̀ dẹ̀ ni Lege náà sọ àwọn àṣírí ọ̀rọ̀ kan nínú fọ́nrán nípa Very Darkman. Ó ní Very Darkman ó ṣe wá le tó mọ́ ọ báyìí tó jẹ́ pé ẹni tó bá ti wà lókè nìkan ló máa ń fẹ́ fà wálẹ̀, àti wípé àtijọ́ tó ọmọkùnrin ọmọ president wa Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu ìyẹn Ṣèyí Tinubu àtijọ́ tó ti ń ṣe dáadáa ọmọ sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ ní dáadáa rí. Ẹ wo ní Lege Miami bá fárígà o lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Very Darkman. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ wá gbọ́n tí Very Darkman náà fi dá Lege Miami lóhùn. Ẹ wo orí ètò tẹ́ wà yìí láti máa mú oríṣiríṣi ọ̀rọ̀ lọ́lọ́kan òjọ̀kan tí ń lọ káàkiri gbogbo àgbáyé wá ṣé tí gbọ́ ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa. Ẹ wo fáǹfààní ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ti subscribe sórí ètò Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà, ẹ subscribe sórí ètò Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà o kẹ́yìn náà kẹ́ lè bá a mọ ní àǹfààní láti máa gbọ́ gbogbo tá à ń mú wá sí etí ìgbọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà lápapọ̀. Ó ní kinní kan bí aago báyìí ní abẹ́ fọ́nrán tá a mú wá yìí táwọn olóyìnbó ń pè ní notification bell. Ẹ hàn notification bell yín sílẹ̀ kẹ́yìn náà kẹ́ lè bá a máa jàǹfààní bí bá ṣe lọ lórí ètò Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà. Ọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà ti kọjá kẹ́kàn mọ́ ròyìn fún yàn o, gbogbo wa ló yẹ ká mọ gbogbo bó ṣe ń lọ. Ẹ wo ẹ má jẹ́ ń gbà yín lákòókò, ẹ wá tó lọ gbọ́ fọ́nrán yìí síwájú sí orí ètò Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà náà lẹ́wà. Kẹ́ bá wa like ẹ̀, kẹ́ bá wa share fọ́nrán yìí fún gbogbo àwọn tí ò tí mọ̀ kàn náà lè jàǹfààní ẹ̀. Ẹ wo ibi tá fi àdàgbà ètò yìí sọlẹ̀ sí lónìí nìyí. Ire lójú owó rí o, ire lójú ọ̀la rí, ire lójú gbogbo wa ò mọ̀ rí. Ẹ tó wá lọ gbọ́ fọ́nrán yìí síwájú sí o torí á ní òkú báyìí nìbọn ró. Ẹ tó wá lọ gbọ́n tí Lege àti Very Darkman tó ń sọ nínú fọ́nrán yìí. Ire o, ó dìgbà.
Very Darkman, listen very well. You said now God give you this platform, but you are not truthful. You are not truthful, Very Darkman, because you always bring out bad thing that will bring someone that God has been done well for. You want to bring them down in bad way with your platform. It's not good. Okay, which day are you ever and ever in your life come out that some people do good, that should praise them, that should thank them? No. Number 3, Seyi Tinubu will never address you. Instead of Seyi Tinubu to address you, he will address someone that has absence, responsible, which is Isaac Fayose. So you understand? Use your platform in a good way. You said you are helping people. I mean, okay, you are helping people. You are coming online, helping people. We have done well. Do you know how many people have sent to the abroad? Do you know how many people have bought car for? If you want to help, Mr. Man, go to hospital. Go and help people that want to pay hospital bill. Please go and do that with your money. Like, let me tell you something. I'm a Christian. I'm a good, confirmed Christian. All these material things, me, I don't see. Even Seyi self tell you, I've never and ever in my life say Seyi have given me maybe 200 million or 300 million before, or 100 million self. She understand? So me, I love him. I like him based on a young man like me that's doing well. So you are bringing a young man like you are bringing them down because you want to have the fame. That is bad. What you guys you have done to me, I have it here. I keep it here. Don't worry, not yet. Not yet. You said anywhere. Let me tell you something. I'm a man. I'm a real man. That Lege they are calling me is a nickname. It's not just a nickname. It's Lege can destroy. Sure, understand? It's Lege can destroy. I just use the Miami to cover this destroy, and now put Lege Miami. Very that one. Please be truthful. Please, and use your platform well. We will soon finish. This we are just the platform I'm talking about. We will soon finish. It's for the meantime. Please use it to bring people up, not to bring them down. Thank you, all the youth. We support.